Good morning. Today is October 2nd, 2017. May I have your attention, please? Miss Williams is out today with no substitute. Here's the Golden Heart announcement of the day, submitted by Caitlin. Victoria K. showed her Golden Heart when she wrapped the headphones together. Thank you, Victoria, for your Golden Heart. Ms. Middleton's third grade earned a technical empty oops pile. This means all the children who were in school on Library Day returned their books. It is great to know that library users are getting into the routine of returning their books on time. Keep up the considerate work, Slackwood book lovers. Please quietly stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing.
You may be seated crisscross without talking, please.
This is a special week that is being celebrated throughout all of New Jersey. It's called Week of Respect. Respect is one of the 6 pillars of character that you'll be learning about all year. It is an important pillar because it is something that we need to show to everyone through our words and our behavior. You show respect to someone when you notice that they don't have someone to play with and you ask them to play, even if they seem different from you in some way. Did you know that it's against the law to bully others? What is bullying? It is doing something on purpose to hurt someone's body, to threaten someone, or to make someone feel afraid. Bullies do this to have power over other people. Bullying can happen anywhere, at school, on the bus, at a school event, or after school. What can we do? Instead of bullying, we can do a lot of things. We can keep our hands, feet, and objects to ourselves. We respect each other and appreciate our differences. We praise others or keep quiet unless we have something nice or kind to say to someone. We include students who seem left out of games or who are alone. We treat others the way we want to be treated and use our golden hearts. We are responsible bystanders. We help others who are being bullied. What happens if you bully someone? Well, New Jersey has a law that tells us what to do if someone bullies someone else. Mr. Billy calls your parents and the parents of the person you bullied. Mr. Billy tells me, who finds out about the problem. I talk to everyone involved to find out what happened. And then I write a report and give it to Mr. Billy about what I found out. And Mr. Billy decides what consequences will take place. Mr. Billy tells the superintendent, Dr. Edwards. And the superintendent, who is the boss of all of our schools, tells the Board of Education. So what happens if you see someone being bullied? Tell the bully to stop. Take your friend away from the bully and report it to a grown-up. Be a responsible bystander and help the person. Slackwood is a no-bully school. If you treat others with respect and kindness, then you're not a bully. If you bully someone, you will have consequences for your behavior. Mrs. Damon has been working on a song with you. It's about respect. About respecting someone who seems different.
You decide. Don't be discouraged, oh, I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all, and darkness still inside you makes you feel so small. I can never pick the things that you never change, but the feeling of happiness that you get when you're with friends.
Do you think those girls learned a lesson? Yeah, they learned how to be a good friend to somebody who's different than them, and that's what respect is all about. The person singing that song, his name is Maddie B, and his sister is the person in the video who seemed a little bit different. Her name is Sarah Grace. So they learned how to respect Sarah, and you respect one another each day when you play with others and treat them kindly. Please remember, this is Week of Respect, but we use respect all year long at Slackwood School when we use our golden hearts. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, boys and girls, just remember, okay, this is the week of respect, but this is the year of kindness, okay? Make sure you're kind to your friends and you help them when they need help, okay? And as you saw in the video, if you see somebody that needs some extra help, you help them out and play with them.